What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss is back here, baby. Bring you guys another video. It's my boy's other Saab, the V6 Turbo, and of course, the 328. So, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. My name's Murderkiss, and I make car videos. And yeah, so I'm with my friend, he's got a Saab, and we're about to just, you know, have some fun, whatever fun means. I'm gonna just keep my halo rings on. You can hear his muffler delete, and I think he has something else deleted. Maybe secondary cats, I don't know. I know his muffler's deleted. Sounds good to me, to be honest, but anyways, it's a beautiful evening. Watching the sunset in our area. Absolutely just astonishing, and as you can see, I have some great scenery for you guys this video. Have all my windows down this time. Trying to get that convertible feeling. But man, guys, I did a maintenance job that was very well needed for this car, and that was cleaning the mass airflow sensor. If you have an E90, or, you know, whether it be 328, 335, M3, whatever platform you have, whatever engine, make sure your mass airflow sensor is clean. Because my acceleration was super bad. Like, in terms of, like, the air sensor, it was just very sluggish, and I could tell something was wrong. So I kind of just diagnosed off forums and stuff, and I figured out that the mass airflow sensor could be one of the issues, and for me, definitely helped. I want to do a pull, but he's in front of me. But when I pull, if I do like a third gear pull into fourth, or like second into third, it's just smooth from literally 1,000 to like 6,500 RPM, completely smooth. And before that, there's a little like I want to say like hesitation, and I'm pretty sure that was from mass airflow sensor. I also just changed spark plugs and coils, so my E90 328 is running very smooth. I'm very happy. And this is the X-Drive model. As you can see it, I mean, this thing just picks up. It's like 40 in a back road. And I still feel a lot of control and stuff. I need to do some exhaust modifications to my car. I don't know what I'd do. Probably just muffler delete. But it sounds good. There we go. Nice little pull right there. I mean, I love BMW engines. They're so smooth. The power delivery is definitely different than Mercedes. Feels like more refined in my opinion. Feels very smooth, like linear acceleration. Mercedes feels more like muscle car, to be honest. This feels like muscle car too. I mean, I haven't. Ooh, hello. I don't have traction control off, but I could turn it off. Kind of just talking right now as I'm driving, but beautiful road I'm on. There's a little pull right there. Kind of tearing this back road up. But like I said, guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. My name is Murderkiss. I do these car content videos, and I'm gonna keep doing it because I actually really enjoy driving, doing these POV. Oh yeah, that sounds great. I just need to do some modification to my car. His is pushing like 300 horsepower. Mine's 230. Here's a little pull. Wow, that feels great. And the brakes feel great too. I said, wait one moment. Oh yeah, here's our farmland. I mean, this spot is sick. I love cruising through this way. Oh, he's calling. Hello, YouTube.
Yo, pause the video really quick.
Alright. Alright, guys. We're back. Had to do a little pit stop, check on the car. We heard something grinding on the bottom of the Saab. Look at those horses right there. Woo! I wish I could talk horse. Man, that's a nice white looking horse. I don't know what the breeds are, but man, this is beautiful. Kind of jealous. I honestly wouldn't mind living out here on a farm. It's probably vibes. Beautiful area. Another house out here. That one story with a lifted truck. I mean, look at the views out here. My goodness. Absolutely stunning. Make sure you like this video. I mean, guys, I'm providing top tier quality content out here, guys. Look at this. Look at the sky. Looks like cotton candy to me. There's a Saab. Yeah, we had to take. I'm gonna post this on the Snap. I mean, like, that is Snap worthy. That is Snap worthy. Oh, let me enter my password and secret. And let me take a picture. I mean, just look at the quality of that, guys. Like, good gosh. And we're literally in the middle of nowhere. I mean, like, that. I have not seen a car in the past, like, hour I've been out here. I like never see anyone out here. So yeah, I don't text and drive or any of that stuff. But this area is beautiful, absolutely astonishing and beautiful. Nice little curve right here. I'll give you guys a nice little pull. Ooh. Got a moped driver out there. Wow, absolutely astonishing. Hello, YouTube. He loves taking those snaps. But yeah, look at that green farmland. Like, that is extra green. My goodness. But anyways, all jokes aside and stuff, I hope everyone's doing well watching this. I wish you the best, and you know, we just keep working towards our goals. You know, strive for the best. I don't know what my plans are with this car, but I want the 335i. Just because you can push 400 horsepower, which is like twice as fast as this, and I can only imagine what that feels like to, like, this, to me, this isn't like AMG fast, but it's fast for, like, my personal opinion. Like, this car has 230 horsepower, it can get over to 100 miles an hour, and it can continuously do that for a long time. And also, this has really good acceleration and stuff, but a 335 is apparently like twice as much power as this, essentially, and same body style and all that. So I love the handling of this platform. I could just imagine that thing is probably a beast. I don't know if I'd get manual or automatic, but you know, who knows. But anyways, like, that's like my future plans. I want a 335. Probably end up selling this. This was an amazing car, the 328. But yeah, I am so grateful, and you know, we're just cruising out here. He kind of just kicked it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. My name is Murderkiss. Like I said, just subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I'll catch you guys soon. Sending you good vibes. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.